In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free flyer poster in Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, a sale, or a community project, we'll build a clean, eye-catching design using Canva's free tools so you can share or print it with confidence. Start by opening Canva in your web browser or the mobile app. On the home page, go to the search bar and type flyer or poster. Pick the format that fits your needs, like portrait for door and bulletin displays or landscape for wide layouts, or choose a specific template size if you already know the dimensions you want. Canva will show thousands of ready-made designs. Use the filters to narrow by theme, style, or color so your flyer matches your brand or mood. Pay attention to the small crown icon that marks premium assets. To keep it free, select templates labeled free, then click a design you like to open it in the editor. In the editor, customize the text first. Click any text box to change the message, font style, size, and color. Keep your headline short and bold so it's the first thing people notice. Make sure body text is readable at a distance, avoid tiny fonts and choose colors with strong contrast against the background. Use hierarchy by varying size and weight to guide the eye from headline to details like date, time, and location. Next, add visuals. If you have photos or a logo, open the Uploads panel and bring them in, then drag and drop onto your design. If you need artwork, open the Elements or Photos tab and search for free stock images, icons, illustrations, and graphics. Replace placeholder images by dropping a new one right over them, and use the corner handles to resize or crop. Fine-tune the layout by rearranging pieces with drag and drop. You can change colors to match your palette, adjust transparency for subtle overlays, add borders for separation, and apply photo filters for a consistent look. Use the position tools to align elements precisely, and nudge with your arrow keys for clean spacing and alignment. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. Pick PNG or JPG if you plan to post online or email it, or select PDF print for high-quality printing. Finally, click Download to save your flyer or poster to your device. That's it. Have fun customizing additional versions for different platforms, and thanks for watching.